I'm Tim West. I came to North Bay because after years of walking on the ankle and it was sore, it got to the point that if I sat at my computer, I couldn't stand up after 30 minutes. The pain was just unbearable. Sometimes my balance was so bad that I'd actually fall over in the floor. So Dr. Miller had me get some x-rays, and we had a little conversation later on. He said, you have 3 choices. He suggested an ankle replacement. I'd never heard of it, but he told me how it works and everything, so I thought I'd try it.
Mr. West was sent to me by one of my colleagues in orthopedics for post-traumatic ankle arthritis. We decided that a total ankle replacement was his best option, went forward with the surgery, and everything went great. This is a great thing that North Bay offers, and I'm very, very happy to be part of it.
I was surprised of Dr. Miller telling me how fast I'm recovering. I'm happy with it. They're easy to converse with, they're easy to work with. They don't push you in any one direction what they think. They give you the chance to make the decision and discuss it. If anybody has any trouble with their joints or anything of dealing with the bones, I advise them to go to NorthBay Orthopedics. You can't be beat.